though its most profitable division remains AWS, and that is where much of its investment has been targeted. Over the years, it has acquired or invested in many online retailers, such as the shoe seller Zippers, which it purchased for 847 million in 2009. The Kindle checks are publishing. In 2007, Amazon.com began to sell its own Kindle e-readers, which helped energize the book market, e-book market. In 2011, the company introduced a related low-cost tablet computer, the Kindle Fire, and by 2012, the Kindle was Fire by estimated to constitute a percent of 50% of the tables sold that used Google's Android mobile operation system. After its first full year of selling books in 1996, book publishers praised the new service as a great way to help them clear their backlist of slow-selling books. However, with the introduction of the Kindle, tension began to build between publishers and Amazon.com. The company wanted to sell new books for a fixed price, well below what new printed books sold for, prompting many complaints from the publishing industry. By 2010, the rift between book publishers and Amazon.com over the price of ebooks had grown. In 2009, the company introduced its first publishing line, Amazon Encore, dedicated to popular of self-published and out-of-print books. It also let individuals publish their own ebooks. In 2011, its ebook ambitions led to the launch of Amazon Publishing with the intent to develop and publish its own titles. That year, Amazon.com announced that Kindle ebooks were outselling all printed books. While many book publishers continue to derive significant revenue through sales at Amazon.com, the company is no longer considered by publishers merely as another bookseller. It is now also a major competitor in their industry. In 2017, Amazon.com announced that it had agreed to buy the supermarket chain Whole Foods Market in deal valued at more than 13 billion. IMDb in full internet movie database website that provides information about millions of films and television programs such as well as their cast and crew. The name is an acronym for Internet Movies Database is a wholly owned subsidiary of Amazon.com. IMDb is based in Seattle, but the office of Cole Needham, the founder and CEO, remains in Bristol, England, where the website was founded. The English software engineer and film buff began at IMDb with a list of all films he had been enjoyed.